October 2025, off to the mountain with my parents. It's funny how they keep healing parts of me they never broke. और मैं बस यही होप करती हूँ कि in the years ahead I can be as present for my future kids as they have always been for me. We got to Nizamuddin railway station to hop on a train to Dehradun, chasing slightly better AQI and a little less noise. Train journeys and I go way back. Sure, the excitement of putting a coin in the weighing machine and buying a champak has faded, but the stations are cleaner now and things feel better. फिर भी it's Delhi. There's just a lot of people, a lot. Here, cutie, papa duties. Overnight trains are actually not that bad. By 6 a.m., we had already rolled in Dehradun. Honestly, stepping out here feels like the city has already turned the volume down a notch. Fresh air, not quite. Better than Delhi, absolutely. The stay was booked through Airbnb and I even got the taxi arranged through them. Loki, I was missing my old spark. I wasn't exactly in my best state, but I was trying to, little by little. Maybe that's why this video feels less like a travel vlog and more like a reminder to myself don't stay sad for too long. Life has a way of surprising you, and it always has more to offer. पिक्चर्स में तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था, बट जैसे जैसे एयरबीएनबी के पास पहुंचे रोड्स काफ़ी नैरो हो गई थी. बट एनीवे हियर वी आर. वैसे तो मुझे बाहर जाना चाहिए था, बट एट दैट पॉइंट बेड फेल्ट लाइक द प्लेस फॉर मी. But then there's this queen I travel with. I mean, just look at her. Spoiled तो मैं हूँ थोड़ी सी. And with the view like this, honestly, I love the Maggie there.
पियो जी मेरे हाथ का गर्मा गर्म चाय मैंने
Fighting my morning anxiety, I finally got up. भाई कैसी सी लग रही हूँ, but it's okay. Today, as I edit this, I know I'm doing better, and honestly, I'm just grateful they stood by me. Parents में patience तो होता है, काफी होता है. बात मुझसे ज़्यादा हो नहीं पा रही थी. We walked and just kept walking. I really wanted to control my thoughts, but no, not happening. Not very long after, हम पहुंच गए चार दुकान. मम्मी ने मस्त चाय और मैगी भी खिला दी थी, वरना I would have definitely gone for a honey lemon ginger tea. We crossed this little spot on the way, hoping आते टाइम हम यहीं रुकेंगे. और honestly ये कौन सा प्यार होता है? चाहिए तो नहीं मुझे ऐसा प्यार, but it's not even making anything look prettier. Anyway, ignoring all that, we kept walking ahead, soaking in the air and letting the mountains do their thing. Dehradun really knows how to show off, and suddenly everything feels a little lighter. फिर इन अंकल ने मम्मी को काफी कुछ बेच दिया. और honestly, his job satisfaction was at its best. He was just too proud of doing what he was doing.
आप बताओ कौन कौन सा था.
Packaging for sure can improve, but what we got back home was just too nice. This was just outside Lal Tippa Cafe, and I remember coming here back in 2017 with my college friends for a sunrise. The Binoculars placed there, and I would have liked sitting there, but काफी लोग थे, and a few men really thought that's a spot for smoking up, so we really made an exit. And then this view got me spiraling a little. What am I really doing in Delhi? Running to Gurgaon every day, working, earning, okay, checking boxes, okay, sure. But is that the same thing as living? Because up here with the mountains in front of me and fresh air in my lungs, the answer felt a lot less obvious. Ta-da! For the vibes. यहाँ तो जाना ही था, but the waiting was 20 minutes plus, so we decided on waiting. और वेट करते करते मुझे एक बार फिर से लगा कि मोमो कार्ट लगाना is not a bad option for money. This man really pulled on his scooty, sold not so amazing momo in no time, and left. I am not useless in this world, and you read why. Crowded तो था और होना भी था. This place is still following traditional 19th century recipes. I can only wish to sit here for long, probably with a notepad and a honey lemon tea.
But it was cozy, and I loved what they had written and the way they had written it. Reading more about their decor, we sat down, and not so long after, our order came. ये तो बहुत अच्छा था वैसे. More conversation and more interesting decor later. We stepped out only to enjoy a bhutta there. It was the perfect weather. This domain, यहाँ rooms भी available होते हैं. I checked it for myself too. उस time पे available नहीं थे. They have a cafe as well, पर मैं तो काफी distracted girl बन के गई थी, so I did not step in. Now, as I edit this video, I kind of regret not being there fully. Seeing the moon, the clouds, this queen, and the sun slowly dipping behind the mountains, I finally understood why they call it the golden hour. OMG, that poster really confused me. It clearly had both the dates written on it. मैंने तो फर्स्ट डे की टिकट्स ली थी एंड एज वी वर हैविंग डिनर हम ये डिसाइड कर रहे थे कि कैसे प्लान करें कि नेक्स्ट डे भी जाएं पर नेक्स्ट डे ट्रेन भी थी. Leaving the planning for later, we enjoyed the food. Simple yet nice. Since the next morning, हम fresh हुए, hopped on a local cab and reached Dehradun. फिर मैं और मम्मी शॉपिंग के लिए गए. I like her for herself and also for buying me boots क्योंकि मैं तो लेके जाना भूल गई थी. And my fit definitely needed boots. We got back, got dressed, and broke for lunch. The ride was steady. Concert था इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में. प्रोज तो हैं पापा के साथ ट्रैवल करने में. एक्सपेंसेस आर टेकन केयर ऑफ. दिल्ली में तो पूरी दिल्ली उठ कर आ जाती है. पार्किंग इश्यूज एंड 100 अदर इश्यूज टू. यहाँ तो काफी लोग ही था. हम टाइम से पहले आ गए थे बिकॉज पापा got some picture clicked and honestly they're pretty cute. They really never say no to my random plans, concerts, or pretty much anything. And there we were. The inside of the stadium looked even prettier with the sun dipping. This was the Doon Music Festival. I had been waiting and wanting to attend a live show by Paresh Pahuja for the longest time, and when I saw he was performing here, it felt like the perfect excuse to say goodbye to Delhi and be in the mountains for a bit. So while everyone else was probably here for the festival, food stalls, and overall vibe, I was there for one thing only, to finally hear Paresh Pahuja live. I had completely misread the poster and his lineup was actually on day 2. फिर मैंने बस पिक्चर्स क्लिक करवा ली. My parents were cute enough to get me pictures with his posters instead. That said, we tried vibing too, clicking more pictures along the way. I hope they don't disown me after dragging them all the way here for the wrong day. We did not stay very late though. जाते जाते कुछ games थे which was quite interesting and somehow I also ended up getting some free hair care products. Not exactly what I came for, but I will take the win. Next day's breakfast looked like this. पापा ने प्लान किया कि हम श्री पौंटा साहिब गुरुद्वारा जाएंगे. This man really travels like a proper traveler, okay? And Ma and I follow along. हमने बसेस फिगर आउट करी. उत्तराखंड बस स्टॉप तक पहुंचे. फिर वहां से मेन बस ली. गुरुद्वारा से पहले ही हम हिमाचल में एंटर करते हैं. सो टेक्निकली वी क्रॉस स्टेट बॉर्डर्स थ्रू अ लोकल बस. It was not the most comfortable route, but there we were, 3 people, a plan made by Papa, enough curiosity to see where the day would take us. हम उतरे हिमाचल के बस स्टैंड पर और वहां से चलते चलते पहुंचे पौंटा साहिब की एंट्रेंस तक. सुंदर तो था. I like how and what they do at the entrances. I read and I was really looking forward to see Yamuna Nadi from the Gurudwara क्योंकि यहाँ तक यमुना नदी काफी साफ है, not the one we see in Delhi. And to see all the displayed pens and other artifacts from the time of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. सबसे ज्यादा पसंद तो मुझे ये है वहाँ का प्रसाद. 1685 में यहाँ कॉम्पिटिशन्स भी करवाए जाते थे एंड पॉन्टा साहिब वाज नोन एज अ सेंटर ऑफ पोएट्री, लर्निंग एंड इवन मार्शल आर्ट्स। गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी ने यहाँ लगभग 4 साल बिताए एंड मेनी ऑफ हिज राइटिंग्स आर कनेक्टेड टू दिस प्लेस। एंड इट इज ऑल्सो सेड पॉन्टा का मतलब है जहाँ कदम टिक जाए एंड स्टैंडिंग देयर बाय यमुना इट काइंड ऑफ मेड सेंस। हमने कुछ पिक्चर्स क्लिक करी और फिर डिसाइड किया कि हम लंगर खाते हुए निकलेंगे और मैं आज फिर जाऊंगी कॉन्सर्ट अटेंड करने। I like how they support my छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ. It's never a big deal, never a long discussion, just a simple हाँ चलो, हाँ ठीक है तुम जाओ. And somehow that means a lot. Ta-da! There I was, so ready for Paresh Pahuja. Also my first concert by myself. He knows, like he's just fully aware how to do it right for the crowd.
One more time, all together.
वो रोना ही आ गया था मतलब yeah I really was there for this.
इसके भी गलियां च खोया दिल में आंसू लगाए जाए तो मिले दूरों दूरों कर कर थकिया तेरे आगे नशा बोतला मैं खाली कर कर थकिया तेरे आगे नशा हो रही
That's all, quite an experience, and I will always remember this night.